ready to break free from proprietary cloud storage and take full control of your digital life. This video will guide you through transferring your files from Dropbox to Nextcloud, the open-source alternative. The most recommended method for a smooth migration is using sync tools first. Ensure you have the Nextcloud desktop client installed on your computer. You can download it from the official Nextcloud website once installed. Open the client and log in with your Nextcloud server credentials. You'll then be prompted to choose a local folder on your computer that you want to sync with your Nextcloud account. Select a spacious folder, as this will temporarily hold your Dropbox files. Next, navigate to your Dropbox folder on your computer. You'll want to copy all the files and folders from your Dropbox directory. We're not moving them yet, just making a copy to prevent any accidental data loss during the process. Paste this copied data into the Nextcloud sync folder you just designated. The Nextcloud desktop client will now automatically detect these new files and begin uploading them to your Nextcloud server. You'll see the synchronization status within the client, indicating the progress of your file transfer. This can take time depending on the amount of data you have and your internet connection speed. Once the sync is complete, all your files will be safely stored on your Nextcloud server. You can verify this by logging into your Nextcloud account via your web browser and checking your files after confirming everything is there. You can then uninstall the Dropbox desktop client to completely sever the connection and free up local storage. For smaller amounts of data, or if you prefer a more hands-on approach, a manual download and upload is also an option. Log into your Dropbox account through your web browser. Select the files or folders you wish to transfer and click the download button. Your files will be downloaded as a zipped archive to your computer. Once downloaded, unzip the archive, then log into your Nextcloud account via your web browser. Navigate to the Files app. You can then drag and drop the unzipped files and folders directly into your Nextcloud interface, or use the upload button provided. This method gives you granular control over which files are moved and is a great way to selectively migrate. By following these steps, you can successfully migrate your essential data from Dropbox to the secure and open-source platform of Nextcloud, reclaiming ownership and control of your valuable files. Congratulations on taking control of your cloud.